So I got a little bit of movement in the little tertiary valley to the left.
And there's movement up there?
There's 3 dudes. They hit the vehicle. Why?
Huh. So you're good luck trying to.
Whoa! Son of a bitch! Headshot right through us, sir, right here.
Run to that everything you shot.
Yeah, it's a dish around.
Want to get right next to you.
Yeah, still warm, still warm. We got a bunch of these that we were just shot at by the enemy from that hillside. This is a disc around, a little over 12 millimeter diameter round, very deadly when it hits you. Let's get it on! Come on, Gunner, you gotta be quicker than that. Get that bitch hot. And then watch me. Hey, I'll either go up, left, right, or back. Up higher.
Fire away.
He's still too low! Oh, nice. Good shot.
One person is injured now. One person injured. He's okay, but his legs hurt.
Okay. They're reporting everything's okay right now.
Good. It's not going to be okay. They don't know what's about to hit them.
Above that side rock base, over.
Roger that. I need to go to the left of that. There's a rat trail on the left side of that. Give me 3 shots right there for right now, so we're going to walk you right on her.
Yeah, good hit. That'll teach me to shoot at my soldiers. Hey, let's get another target worked up.
Dark Tank 4-2, good bombs, good bombs.
False bravado involved. They see us, they've been watching us for a while, they're moving in position, they don't think we can harm them. They just haven't fought us yet.
How close were those bullets coming to you? You were close enough to hear the bzzz go by, huh?
Gunfire buzzes when it's close enough to you. It sounds like a bee passing over your shoulder. And that's when we knew that things were serious.